Ellipsis. These are 3 dots to show omission or a pause in a sentence. Omission refers to something being left out. We can use ellipses when we want to miss out part of a quote. For example, if you've got a very long quote and you want to miss out or leave out the irrelevant parts, you can use ellipsis to do this. Generally, we use ellipsis in speech as this adds effect to the sentence. It can show a pause in speech or where the sentence trails off. We can use ellipsis in informal and fictional writing. For example, I'm not sure. Sam, I'm very sorry. I hope you can forgive me.